All right, honey, stop it.
So
No, there wasn't a cue.
no, but so
Okay.
earlier I had to do another video, a vertical. And I was telling him how handsome he looked. And I wasn't just saying that, but you guys, can you just focus on these eyes?
Whatever.
Look at that. Woo! Smoking. So please don't look at my husband.
All right,
look at
honey,
look
you
at
start
what
over
he's
again.
about. No, just keep going. They
All
know
right.
that I'm
Well,
just speaking
here we
truth.
go. So this is, I redesigned it. This is the range and tool tote. It used to be called a utility tote, but people weren't looking for that. And I come to find out, we were out skeet shooting this last year, and we're gonna be actually skeet shooting again here pretty soon. And I needed something for my shells, a few boxes of shells, and then my spent shells to throw them in here, and the shotgun across here to lay down while I wasn't shooting. Anyway, so I've got here that's it'd be for shooters, for hunters. If you're going to go sighting your rifle for hunting season, you're going to sight in your pistol, whatever you would do, you would take it all, fits all in here, all your ammo, that sort of thing, gun cleaning kit, and then you would go out to the range or go out to go skeet shooting, or when you're not using it for that, put it in the back of your truck. Not truck, put it in, if you have an SUV or if you just have a regular trunk and you want to keep like your emergency stuff. Like I'm not a prepper, like I don't have like a year's worth of food or anything stashed anywhere, and I don't have like a pallet of ammunition for if anyone's going to come to steal my food. But guys like to be prepared, and so this is how I like to keep I keep this stuff in my car. Okay, so I got a Sequoia. I like to keep this in, and I keep this behind in the Tundra. I keep stuff in there, but this is for the side of the road. If you're pulling over to help someone out, you got your frisbee, your kids do. I've got jumper. These things are great. These had jumper cable, and you can plug stuff into here. It's really cool. I got a light on here for any kind of tire problem. Keep a hatchet. Got duct tape. I've got these ratchet straps for ratcheting stuff down. I'm going to Africa on Tuesday. I'm going to go officiate a wedding in Rwanda and have a group. We're leading a group after that mission trip.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to be using my ratchets straps to ratchet stuff to the rack to get to the airport. And then I've got a small toolkit for just in case. I went with BF Goodrich to the Baja, and they gave me this little toolkit. Isn't it nice? And I love it. Just keep it in the car. It's for just in case situations. And I have other stuff in the car, some beef jerky. I like to keep kind of just extra supplies in there. But this, you just keep it in there, and then you just put this in the back. Isn't that great? You can use it for kindling or firewood, fire starters, your matches, your paper, put it by the fireplace in the wintertime. You know what? If you could dip pine cones, my wife did this with twine, wrapped twine around these pine cones. She got these big pine cones, dipped them in wax, and they're great fire starters. And everyone's like, wow, these are great. She gave those for Christmas one time. But anyway, keep that stuff next to the fire, next to whatever, and then check this out.
I was gonna say, show them the inside, and then how you can even put something in the bottom, like at the bottom of the bag as well.
So check this out.
Yeah.
So then you got this. So if you had screwdrivers or something like that you wanted to keep in there, or some vice grips, you would keep those in there. I would keep it like that, actually. Keep them aside. You can put all your screwdrivers or whatever you wanted to keep in here. Chisels if you're doing woodwork or something. And then
Helps keep things organized.
yeah, just to keep it from rattling around in the car. I got a rope that I like to keep in there, but I don't want it rolling around in the back. And then
Yeah.
I've got this part. So I have it stitched up to here, and then I have it loose here. So if you had a saw you wanted to put in there or something like that, you could have that.
That's smart.
Or if you were a spy and you were trying to sneak in to like NATO or some bad guy, you could put something there and then you walk with it. So anyway, this is the range and tool bag, and it's for going out to the chicken coop. You want to tighten the wire up. You're going to saw some stuff. You're going to go. It's not for like it could absolutely be for a just a general work bag, but this thing is fantastic. I really, really, really enjoy this thing, and I know that you will too. So now I had this called the utility tote, and it was made with a 1 thick piece of vegetable tan leather. I like the shape of this, how this keeps the shape better. And so now we have chrome tan, which is more water, it like laughs at water. And so it's just all around a better, I feel like it's a better design. Now the other one's really good and everything, but I just like this one better. It's more useful. Well, I know it's equally useful, but I like how this kind of maintains
I like
the shape.
this one better, babe. I think you did a good job on this.
Anyway.
Yeah.
And also little details like this, like I have this extended here longer, so it's a double stitch all the way through, and with an X, because this supports so much weight right here. I didn't want to put rivets in it. I just wanted it, but this, and then this is of course the same thing here. So you see that double stitch, the long stitch here, and the long stitch here. It's for heavy weight. So you put a drill in here, and your hammer and tape measure and a level, small level, and that kind of thing, and you are good to go, my friend. This thing is fantastic. The range and tool bag, we just launched it. You're gonna love it.